Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to repost a job on Indeed. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Indeed account, which of course I've done right here. At the top right corner you're going to find employers and post job. So go ahead and click on that. If you're new to Indeed, then you will need to set up your employer account. All right, you need to set up your employer account, but if you're not new to it, let's see what we can do. Okay, all right, so just click on the left corner, click on job, and here, so I have a job here that I posted already at ads coordinator. It has not been approved by Indeed yet, but I just won't go through the stress of waiting. So if I want to repost this job, all I just have to do is tap the top corner of the screen. You're going to see post a job. Don't click on it, so just right click on your mouse and then click on open link in new tab. So go ahead and open up the new tab. So you're going to see this window. Use the previous job as a template now. So click on start with a new post and then click continue. So here you're going to have to add a job basics and everything. So right here, and starting this new job, head over to the previous. Okay, so this is the previous. All right, and then click on this. That's the previous page. Okay, not this new page. So click on it, and once you click on it, that's this job that you have added before. Click on edit job. So we're clicking on edit job because we need to check all of the details, because every detail right here in this previous job that was posted will be replicated in the new job post. Okay, so here we go, job title. So I'm gonna open up the new one. So this is the old one. So job title, let's just replicate that. So ads coordinator, and what is company for this job, installs, number of openings 1. So where would you like to advertise this job? Ibadan. So just ensure that everything is the same and correct. So we're gonna have to click on continue. How would you like to move forward? Okay. So add job details. Full-time. Continue. Pay benefits. Show pay by range, definitely. Minimum, see 50,000 to 100,000. So I'm just gonna add that here. Per month, of course. Then continue. Job description. This is job description. So I'm just gonna click on this one so I can and just highlights, Ctrl C. So scroll down, continue. All right. So we're gonna ask for resume because that's part of what we did here. Same. Require resume, yes. So that means we're gonna ask for resume. No application deadline. No application deadline, so we're not doing that. So I'm leaving them no. Click out. Hire setting, hiring tenure for this job. 2 to 4 weeks. 1 to 2 weeks, right? Hiring timeline. 1 to 2 weeks. So ensure that it's the same. Yes, ensure that it's entirely the same. So pre-screen applicants. Yeah. Relocate before starting work. Yes. And then click on continue. Scroll down. And as you can see, everything is now the same. Yes. Everything is now the same. Yeah. So click on confirm. Sponsor job, no. I'm not sponsoring this job. So I clicked on post without a budget. And then I'm saying no thanks. So here you go. Let's see. Feedback. And see if that worked. Yeah, awesome. So as you can see, this has been reposted. It's exactly the same thing. All right. What's here is what here. Exactly the same process. So this is pretty much how you can repost a job on Indeed. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.